open up your Google Chrome and search for Webflow. After that, click on this Webflow official website link. Now go to the dashboard. Next, make sure that you are under All Sites and click on the New Site button at the top right. After that, select the Portfolio Starter and then in the pop-up, click on Create Site. Now, just wait for a bit. Once you are here, scroll a bit and then first select Graphic Design such as cartoons. Next, select Web Design such as oil painting. After that, go to your Midjourney Discord. Click on Newbies 57 and then select Imagine Prompt. Then enter the prompt. Furthermore, you have various options to edit your generated image like upscale twice or 4x and more. Save this image. Now go to your Webflow, paste the image, and then click on the Publish button at the top right corner. That is how you can use the Midjourney AI Site Builder. If you found Midjourney interesting and want to try it yourself, simply click on the link given in the description box. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.